Okay, so we're going to look at the site audit tab. We selected a site called poorlyoptimizedwebsite.com. This is our demo site. We've created a website as bad as possible from a search engine perspective and a user perspective to see how poorly it ranks in search engines, but also to highlight the power of the Analytics SEO service to highlight those issues, and also highlight to our users, you guys out there, where you can get it wrong if you're designing or redesigning sites. When you come into the Site Audit tab, you'll see that there's three things you must do first. You've got to get your site indexed in major search engines. You should consider whether you want to list it in a couple of the online directories. And you should also configure your Google Analytics account. You can also get help at any stage just by clicking on the help icon. It will pop up some context-sensitive help. Here you can see it tells you all about the Site Audit tab and some of the things you can do. You can print this page, or you can download the data to Excel at any time. So what does it tell me? Well, it tells me some basic information about my website. Whether it's got a Google PageRank, which it hasn't, it's a relatively new site, so it's not surprising. How many pages each of the major search engines have in their index. You can see Google's got 129, which is great because it wasn't submitted to Google. Google just found it. But Yahoo and Bing are yet to find it. We've got 53 pages in our spider, which means that some of the mistakes we've made in the website design probably are causing duplicate content issues in Google. The homepage server response is 355 milliseconds, which isn't too bad, but could probably be a little bit quicker. But we've also got some sitemaps and robots.txt set up, so we didn't do everything wrong. And now you can see that on the graph below, how many pages we've got indexed. It tracks them by search engine, and it also shows visits by search engine and the number of inbound links. We'll give you a table of all the pages we've crawled, and we also show you keyword rankings. So you can see that the campaign keywords are in bold. Poorly optimized website, we're currently ranked 29th. Poorly optimized websites, we're ranked 3rd. Website, 2nd, and it keeps tabs of the current position, the position last month, the best ever position, the campaign start position, and the change month on month, which is a really useful way of keeping tabs on how well you're doing. It does the same for visits, so you can shows you for those keywords. You can see poorly optimized website brought 2 visits this month and last month, and it summarizes your ranking. The distribution of your ranking, so you can see that in the 2nd to 5th position I've got 4, and in the 21st to 30th position I've got 2 keywords. So this is really useful for looking at progress over time. Most interesting aspect for me of the site audit is it just highlights for you key things you must do. So the whole set of manual tasks here, some automated tasks on the spider every week. We check image alt tags every week. We do a basic site analysis on a daily basis, which is all this information here. But we also do some other recurring tasks, like adding alt tags to images. We'll check to see whether all your images have got alt tags. If they haven't, we'll highlight where the images are and which ones are missing. As you can see, it's like it's just an email image on this site. So go back, and you can choose to do something about it or ignore it. And then we've got a set of relevant tasks which you do need to look at. So here, for example, it says submit your site to Bing Local. You click on the task, and it tells you that Bing's listings in the UK are currently provided with market location, so you need to add your listings to the database. However, when we last checked, none of their online forms work, so you can try them. Alternatively, you can email someone, and she will add your details to the list. If you're in the US, we show you how you can add your details to the Bing Local Listing Center. Once you've done that, you can mark your task as completed and save the changes. So clearly you can work your way through all of these tasks, and hopefully that will allow you to get the basics right. That's pretty much it. Just bear in mind that it runs these checks daily and will flag up to you different issues which are totally customized to your website. So it's great because it continually monitors it for you, so you don't have to. So I think the site audit's great, and I hope you like it.